Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and we're going to be making a cheesy portobello and side salad dish today. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We have a screaming hot grill pan here to grill off our mushrooms. Inside of our dish here, we already have some marinara lining the bottom. So all that there is to do now is to grill these on each side. So we're going to put these on. Been lightly oiled. We're going to give them a few minutes per side. Go ahead and flip the front one here. Okay, the smallest one is done, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in a baking sheet. And just as these finish, we'll continue to drop them in. All right. All right, I'm going to take some of our marinara, just spoon a little bit on the insides of the mushrooms, give it a little bit more flavor. Mushrooms are very much like a sponge. They will soak up whatever flavors you put on them. Okay, now we're going to top them each with cheese. And mozzarella, and we have parm. All right, and just a tiny drizzle over the top. A little bit of seasoning. All right, we're going to pop these into the 400-degree oven until the cheese melts, gets nice and bubbly. All right, we'll come back and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our mushrooms. The cheese has melted. All right, looking good. So at this point, all that's left to do is to plate these up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.